CMYK. So it has black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. And depending on what color we need, basically the machine mixes the colors together so that it can get most of the colors. At times we use just vinyl that already has color. Like, that's very rare. Because we have these people that most people want something that's just not like your stickers or printed on this machine. I don't know. It looks like a face is going to come out, doesn't it?
Yeah. I thought it was a palm tree at first.
You can't really see it because it matches, but there's like letters in there that will, the waste parts will pull out and it'll just keep whatever wording's in there.
For us to save time.
Now, from what I hear in the algebra room, do they need to know or learn versions? Going from fractions to decimals, or as metrics and inches? Is that needed?
No.
So, decimal conversions in general, we don't do a lot of metrics